The next lesson in the linear counting strand are the teen numbers. So you can see that each number is made by putting a 10 and a unit number together, beginning with 10 and 1 is 11, going all the way to 10 and 9 is 19. A preschool child will use this to learn linear counting, the linear counting numbers and the quantity that makes that number. An older child would use this to learn the addition facts of 10 plus a unit number, making a teen number. They would really focus on 10 plus 1 is 11, 10 plus 2 is 12, etc. The other thing that you can do with this material is work on that fact family using the teen numbers. If 10 plus 3 is 13, then 13 minus 3 is 10. And 13 minus 10 is 3. Really good practice for that addition fact memorization.